Welcome back to another video. We're getting straight into these videos, baby. We're knocking these videos out the park. Let's get it. So straight away, I'm gonna go ahead and not waste anybody's time. We're gonna go down to the 4-hour time frame and show you guys what trades I was looking to take on Friday, right? So notice how we have this area of supply here on the 4-hour time frame. Previous contrary candle that created the move to the downside. Boom, that's one of our supply zones right there, as well as a 1-hour supply zone right around here, because notice right after that, boom, price comes down here during the pre-market trading hours, and we have our two higher time frames right around there. We are trading below the highs and lows of day, which just gives us another entry signal, means that we are in a bearish environment. Now, if you guys know, I actually called out these sells on Monday. As soon as Monday we were in the market, I'm going to show you guys. It was around here. Yeah, there it goes. So on Monday, I actually called this area of supply out. I believe it was on the 4-hour, and I also called it on the daily as well because I said we were breaking below that. So this is the 4-hour zone that I called on Monday, and yeah, you guys can see very simple. Price pulls back into that area of true supply, comes back down. As you guys can see, another area on the 4-hour time frame right about there, and we will wait for price to pull back into that eventually. But for now, let's show you guys this trade that I sent in the free signals chat, as well as the live trading room. If you guys want to trade with us live every single morning at 6 a.m., 30 minutes before New York session, as well as Asia session, and we are going to be incorporating London session as well. So if you guys are interested in that, click the links in the description down below. You can find our free Discord, our paid services, as well as the one-on-one mentorships, and so much more. If you guys want to use the best brokers in the game for Forex, futures, stocks, crypto, all of that good stuff, everything will be linked down there, down below, man. So that way you guys don't gotta waste time. You guys can just get straight into it. So without further ado, let's see this trade here on EURUSD. So 6:30 a.m. comes around about here. So we'll go ahead and speed it up a little bit. 6:30 a.m. right about there. We're gonna go down to the 1-minute time frame because, as you guys know, I like to monitor all of my trades on the 1-minute time frame. So let's go ahead and speed this up. And we had already taken these US30 positions. So here you guys have it right here. All I was waiting for on EURUSD was for price to pull back into my areas of supply. Now you guys were probably saying, hey, why didn't you take it off the 4-hour? Well, we were monitoring the trade and it didn't give us an entry confirmation on the 1-minute time frame. Why? Because it was breaking above it. You see this 1-minute engulfing candle. We were waiting for candles to break below and pull back into that area. Unfortunately, we did not get that entry confirmation. So as soon as price pulls back into the 1-hour, I alerted the signal room and I told them, hey, we're going to be taking this trade, 10 pip stop loss, and we're going to be targeting the daily and I believe, was it the daily? Yeah, the daily and the weekly demand zone, which we're going to get into right now. So as soon as we pull back into this 1-hour time frame, like I said, I was waiting for a 1-minute bearish candle and a pullback into our area of the 1-hour time frame. Right, so there you guys have it. Boom, price pulls back into that area on that wick, and it actually reacted off of it multiple times. This is a nice entry. This is what I love to see. These are my favorite types of entries on the 1-minute time frame. Now, you guys also could have taken this entry on the 1-hour time frame because, like I said, we had a 1-hour supply. The 1-hour pulls back into it, starts wicking, coming back down below, and the rest is history. You guys will see right now. So price pulls back, like I said, into that area of supply from the 1-hour. Now let's play this in the 5-minute time frame just so we can speed everything up. Notice how it's pulling back into it multiple times. You have this 5-minute supply here, pulls back into it. There's many entries that you guys could have got on this trade. So I know everybody in the signals chat was eating, everybody in the live trading room was enjoying this trade, and we're actually still holding on to this trade. It wasn't meant for us to be a swing position, but it unfortunately, or not unfortunately, because we are going to make money off of this, is going to turn into a swing trade that we held over the weekend, and we are targeting this daily demand zone right here. And if price does not give us a reaction, then we're going to be targeting this weekly down here for about 60 to 70 pips, maybe around 70 pips roughly. So we will see how this plays out Monday and Sunday opening into the markets. So there you guys have it. Price retesting that low of day there, which was actually our first take profit zone. And as well as our second take profit was about to get hit right about now, I believe. Oh no, Yeah, oh, my bad. So was this our first day profit? I don't know, but I'm gonna post them somewhere up on the screen so you guys can see when we hit the first take profit on Euro USD as well as all the entries and everything. So we are currently still holding on to this trade, but like I said, these are quick little videos just to show you guys examples of what I'm looking for in the market. So key takeaways is we have a 4 hour supply, but price did not give us a reaction off of it as these candles were closing above it, even on the 1, 3, and 5 minute time frame. We also have our 2 lower time frame entry confirmations. Like I said, we have that 1 hour supply zone, and we also have a 15-minute supply and an M5 supply. So as soon as price pulls back into one of these areas, we are looking for an entry on the 1 minute. Remember, these supply zones, we're looking at them because these are areas, right? But our actual entry confirmation has to be based on candlestick movement and on simple price action. You guys have to learn that supply and demand is king, but there is also a queen to every king, right? And in this case, it's going to be price action. Price action and supply and demand go together. They have to go together. If they are not together, then you're just not going to be a good trader. Sorry to hear it. Sorry to my bad. Sorry to break it down to you guys, but this is very important that you guys have to know how to read the market, know why it's pulling back into this area multiple times, as well as knowing why it's going to sell, knowing what areas to target, stuff like that. So, like I said, we are looking to target daily and this weekly demand zone. I'm going to show you guys why we are targeting this, right? So like I said, we topped out, we had this daily supply here, and now the next area where price can give a major move to the upside is going to be this daily demand zone right here, as well as the weekly time frame, as you guys can see right there, right? So this is the whole reason why we were targeting the sells here on Euro USD. A lot of people have mixed emotions when it comes to Euro USD. I would talk to some people on the live trading room. They were saying that they were looking for buys on Euro USD, but at the end of the day, nothing beats price action and supply and demand. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was quick and you guys were able to understand everything very, very nicely, as it is very simple. And it is a simple strategy that averages 70 to 90% win rate and an average risk reward of a 1 to 3. And as always, I've shown you guys my track records, and if anybody wants to see them, you guys can always text me. I will post them up pretty soon once 2024 ends, just so I can show full transparency to you guys. But you guys already know, man, we are some of the best. I would say MTM literally is the best trading community out there. So if you guys are interested in joining that free Discord and communicating with other traders, like-minded individuals, or also business owners and entrepreneurs, you guys can go ahead and join that using the links in the description down below. If you guys want to use the best brokers in the game, Forex, sway markets, plus 500 for futures, and sway markets for crypto and any other assets, you guys can use that using our codes and our links down below. Everything will be there on our link tree. You guys just click it, look for whatever you guys are trying to look for, and you guys will see it right there. So with all that being said, man, hope everybody has a lovely and blessed day. Happy Labor Day weekend. I'm probably gonna be posting these up on the same day or maybe on Sunday, but I will catch everybody later, and I hope you all have a good one, man. Peace.